You guys watching me are holding me accountable to this mini Dubai chocolate bar. I'm gonna have this row, piece by piece. Oh my god. Oh my god. And then I'm gonna walk away, okay? So good, this mini one. Oh, no. One little cube at a time. No, I really want to finish it. No. 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 Walk away. No, I really want to finish it. Walk away. Okay. You guys are watching me. Next time you see me, I'm going to have exactly this much left and we're going to break it in half. Okay? Okay? Okay, this is the mini Dubai chocolate bar with Belgium chocolate, which is really, really good. The best one I've had so far tasting on TikTok Shop, and I'm gonna walk away.